Good morning, you guys. Today is Vlogmas 13. I did get sick, so remember how yesterday my throat felt weird and I felt something coming on, and I woke up this morning and I was like definitely sick. I feel like phlegmy and congested and my throat hurts, and I just feel very tired, like with a headache. So I took some Tylenol cold, I think. Yeah. I just finished editing yesterday's vlog, and I'm gonna go downstairs and upload it. My kids are driving me crazy today. They're just being like extra difficult today. But I just got a call from whatever company, I don't know, the truck guy who's actually bringing our fridge today. So he said the fridge should be here in about a half an hour. So my lips have been so dry ever since this weather changed cold. I have to like apply lip balm like, I don't know, 10 times a day. But yeah, so the fridge people are coming to drop that off and install it real quick. And then Mila has to go to school, so my mother-in-law is coming to get the kids because I have to be here with the fridge. So I think she's just going to drop Mila off at school and maybe take Austin. And I think we're doing something exciting today, so it'll be hopefully a little bit more of an exciting vlog. I think we're gonna go golfing today at my hubby's work because he is a second assistant at a golf course. I don't know if I've said which golf course, but I don't know if I should keep that quiet or not. I don't know. Anyways, it's a really nice like resort golf course. So I think we're gonna go golfing today. He's been wanting to take me for like ages. And we've never gone, so we might go today after this whole fridge thing is situated. So I just put on a bra. Like, y'all, I never wear bras around my house. Like, I hate, since somebody's coming to the house, I had to go ahead and put a bra on and put a shirt on. That was like more acceptable. And yeah, so we will just see when this guy comes to put the fridge in, and then hopefully go golfing later today. So I will see you guys in a bit. You feel good? Come on. Whoa! The new fridge. Ooh, pretty. Wow. It's kid locked. Wow. This is the old ugly one and the new pretty one.
Beautiful. Oh my gosh.
How about this one?
Is it really cute?
So pretty.
How about this one?
Hold on. That's the freezer. So the fridge is on top. Close it. Wait, that one first. Close. And then you have to pull it. What is it? This way? There's an ice maker here. Yay! So much more space. I thought there was a... Oh yeah, it's lift up and then out.
Outside now.
Well, it's supposed to be kid proof. Alright.
I did it.
Okay, but we're not gonna play with that though. Yay! This is an LG. That's a nice country breakfast right there. Got some maple sausage, some eggs, a little cheese on it, and some toast. I was supposed to only have one toast. I thought Austin was gonna eat with me, but he actually started crying and he wanted to go to sleep. And he's got a molar coming in, so I just gave him some Tylenol because he seemed like he's been in pain. He's just been complaining all morning. So he just went to sleep. I guess I'm gonna see how much I eat of this because I thought he was gonna have some eggs and some toast with me, but I may or may not eat it all and then just not eat lunch and then eat dinner because it's already 11:41 anyways, and I have to get ready and then we're gonna go golfing, so I might eat all of it. I'm very hungry actually, and I'm just going to watch some Vampire Diaries, of course. That is my jam right now since I finished Gossip Girl. I started Vampire Diaries over again, and I literally can't stop watching it. I am so obsessed with this show. Last night I stayed up until like 12:30 or 1 o'clock watching it. Like, I was like, I really should go to bed. I'm so tired, but I couldn't stop. So I will see you guys later. This is what I'm wearing today. Just some track pants and a black long sleeve shirt, a ponytail again, no lashes. Just a chill makeup for golf.
Back to 3 and get. Oh, so close. Look good. I forget when it's uphill. Still don't need that.
So they're putting right now. I have to pee so bad, you guys. Oh my god. I had like 2 beers and I didn't realize my bladder was this small. I have to pee so bad and there's not a restroom for a long time. The pain is real right now. It's like a go-kart.
Drop your phone.
Oh, please don't drop my phone.
strategically keep myself out of the video.
I've wanted to drive one of these things forever.
See all this? This is all hog damage. The hogs come in and tear that grass up. Do I turn it? Can I turn the camera around while I'm recording?
Yeah. Well, actually, it's not.
No, I can't.
Yep.
Well, we just finished and we're about to go home now. Well, we gotta go get the kids from Grammy and then we gotta make some dinner. I am starving and I didn't get my coffee ground yesterday, so I have to go actually get it ground before we get home. I have it here in my car so I don't ever forget it. Oh my god, it's so cold outside right now. Whew, I am hungry.
So, Thanksgiving. The holiday season is upon us.